Next event would be the union budget, right? Next month beginning. Wanted to understand what can the budget do being a blueprint to try and fillip growth? I mean, could we hear something on CAPEX, any specific steps to boost consumption?
Well, I personally would not sort of rely too much on the consumption boost story. Of course, I would continue to expect CAPEX to be relatively pushed on the higher side. Now, the problem is that the budget has always sort of moved in the direction of only talking about fiscal consolidation, etc. And thanks to the sort of a significant amount of dividends that they have got from the Reserve Bank of India, and we are penciling in dividends not to be very low even in the current financial year. The central government does have a scope of continuing to push expenditures on the CAPEX side. And I think that's where they must focus on, because that brings the efficiency gains in the economy. And of course, they have been lagging in terms of the interest-free loans that they were passing to the state governments because of some states going into polls, etc. So a hard look and a critical sort of incentive structure needs to be built so that the CAPEX of the states also continue to pick up in the same line as of the central government. So that, I think, should be the critical focus. The other thing that I'm looking at personally is how they sharpen their last union budget sort of statement on employment and skill sort of generation in the economy. And that, I think, will create the productivity gains that the economy would be looking forward to, and also lead to a much more equitable distribution of income and hence a better platform for consumption demand going forward.